Hi, welcome all of you. Namo Buddhaya. Today we are going to talk about our siblings. How should we behave when we are with them? We can spend time with each other by singing together, taking pictures together, pillow fighting. But be very careful when playing with your siblings. Have fun and create memories because those memories will strengthen your bond. Some of you are older siblings and the others are younger siblings. The older siblings are the role model of your younger siblings, and the younger siblings get the most attention in the family, not only from elders, because you have elder siblings attraction too. You should follow your elder siblings, but not always. Follow only the good things they do. Let's see how we can interact with our siblings. You can comb your sister's hair or help them to assemble puzzle. Or if they are hungry, prepare a small meal that you can prepare. You should take good care of your siblings. Play with them to keep them happy and help them to play. Be careful when you are playing outdoors. Share and eat. Help them study or read together. If you are an elder brother, you should take good care of your younger sister. Let's see how we can offer help to our siblings. You can help them to get dressed or help them to do their homework. You can read bedtime stories for them. You can try to comfort them when they cry. And also take good care of your younger siblings until your parents finish their chores. Don't mistreat them. Don't pull your sister's hair. Don't fight over the toys. Don't be aggressive and kick with your hands. Don't interrupt his play. Don't make them cry. Avoid making jokes. Don't blame each other. Don't isolate them. And don't take your younger siblings' toys. If your parents go to office for a job, don't mess up your home with your siblings when they come home tired. It's a big headache for them because they have to do a lot of duties at home too. Don't lie to your parents in order to get your siblings punished. Some of you are doing this naughty thing. It's a bad habit. If you've been doing this for so long, never do it again because they'll lose their love and respect for you. Don't fight when your parents are not at home. And don't make complaints when they come home tired. Don't be jealous of your brother and sisters. Sometimes parents need to pay attention to your younger siblings. That's it. Your parents love you all equally. Parents treat their children equally. Have faith in yourself and trust yourself. Appreciate their achievements. If you are the younger one, don't interrupt your elder siblings while they are studying. Be respectful while talking to older siblings. Make sure that you ask before you borrow something that belongs to one of your siblings. This will help to foster respect between you. Do not make false accusations. These are some examples. These are not a reason to be angry or make complaints to your parents. Do not behave in a way that harasses others. If you are the older one, try to be as patient as possible. And if you are the younger one, try to win their love as much as possible. How can you help your parents at home? Don't break down any household items. You have to protect them. You can clean the house together with your siblings. Arrange the dining table and clean the dishes together. It'll help your parents as they are so tired after work. Plant a flower tree with your siblings. One day, those beautiful flowers can be offered to the Lord Buddha. You can get help from your parents for do this. Dear children, think about this. You have a very busy mother. She has a lot of work to do alone. Therefore, support the household work together with your siblings. So, do as much as you can. Stay united with your siblings. Help each other and love each other. That would be a big help to your mother. You have a busy father. He has a lot of work to do alone. Office work, handling business, babysitting, shopping, concerning about his health and more. 'Cause he has to fight alone for your well-being. Even if you don't see it, you are in his heart. Therefore, do your studies well. Help your siblings to success their studies. So, do as much as you can. Love each other. That would be a big help to your father. Your sibling relationship will last a lifetime and your kindness will pay off in the long run. Keep all these things in your mind. We'll meet next time. Goodbye. Buddhu Saranai.